XSense has been on a mission to protect lives around the world, making our planet and homes a better place to live and work for current and future generations. With the innovation in smart technology, they have ensured they have a device for every possible safety need. This is the XSense Wi-Fi water leak detection system. It is a one-stop station that uses smart technology to detect any water leaks and lower the risk of further water damage by providing 24/7 monitoring and instant app notifications, so you can respond and act quickly. So let's see just how good these things are, and first start by unboxing them. So in the box you get 3 Wi-Fi water detectors in total, you get 6 AA batteries provided for you to power them, and the main base station for full control of all the detectors. You will also get a power adapter, power cable, and your very basic user manuals. The sensors are crafted out of a sturdy plastic material and resemble that of a tiny smoke detector. They have a weight of 2.8 ounces and a thickness of 1.2 inches. This is all complemented by a diameter of 2.1. Each sensor is equipped with a button located at the base, which can be both utilized to test the device's functionality or momentarily mute the alarm when triggered. The central control unit boasts a sleek, understated aesthetic that molds seamlessly with any home decor. It doesn't stand out like a sore thumb. You have the option to power it via a USB cable, meaning it can be powered with a range of devices, not just a wall plug. That could be a TV, computers, laptops, and much more. What's fantastic about the XSense leak system is that the setup has been made to be very simple. It supports Wi-Fi connectivity between itself, the internet, and the free included leak sensors. All we need to do is download and install the XSense application on our iOS or Android device. Once signed up and in the main app interface, we can go ahead and scan the QR code at the bottom of the main hub to begin the pairing process. This really doesn't take long at all, and within a couple of minutes we should be connected. After completing the setup process, we can position these devices in optimal locations near water sources such as a dishwasher, water heaters, washing machines, indoor taps, and other similar areas. These devices boast a sturdy and robust structure, reinforced with a rust-resistant exterior coating to ensure long-lasting durability. Additionally, they are equipped with an IP66 waterproof rating, which means they can withstand increased exposure to water without compromising their performance. So let's test this. Here I'm placing one of the sensors within proximity of a water source. Let's see how long it takes for the device to pick this up. Within seconds, the siren begins to blare through the house and a notification was sent directly to my phone. Once I'm aware of this water leak, I can act quickly. I can also silence the alarm by pressing the button on the bottom or actually in the app itself. It just gives me the opportunity to silence the device and begin clearing up the water, decreasing the risk of further damage. Wherever I place these devices, no matter how far away I am from the hub, as soon as the alarm senses water, within a couple of seconds the hub siren can be clearly heard. It is very much instant. This comprehensive kit is adept for all type of households, including multi-story ones. The kit boasts a wide-ranging transmission of 1,640 feet. This enables the base station to establish an unwavering connection with the water leak detectors. With this kit in place, you can rest assured that your home will be safeguarded from any potential water damage. The smartphone app provides you with real-time alerts, allowing you to take immediate action in the event of a leak. Regardless of whether you're away for a few hours or a few days, you will know which alarm is going off and where in the house it has been located. All in all, this safety system provides an invaluable sense of security and reassurance. It is a cost-effective solution that offers a comprehensive and reliable one-stop shop for all your home safety needs in relation to water leaks. With this system in place, you can rest easy knowing that in the event of a leak, the smart technology will automatically alert you, giving you plenty of time to intervene. With that said, be sure to check out this product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.